Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by building the Rsvp form so the QR code points to one definitive source. Create concise questions: attendance, meal choice, +1, and mark required fields. Once done, publish the form and copy the direct share URL. Make sure to use the canonical link, not a preview. You do this because a stable URL prevents broken scans on invites. Also, test the form on your phone and desktop to confirm mobile responsiveness before moving to the QR step. Next, paste the published URL into a QR generator and pick settings that ensure consistent scanning. You should set error correction to M or Q so slight smudges or folds won't break the code, and select a high-resolution PNG or vector SVG for print. Once chosen, optionally add a small logo but keep high contrast, dark code on light background, and maintain a clear, quiet zone. After generating, scan the code with multiple devices to confirm it opens your actual Rsvp form. Finally, put the verified QR on your invitation layout where it's unobstructed and at least 1.5 inches square for reliable scanning. Print a physical proof on the actual invitation stock and test scans with several phone models in both native camera apps and QR reader apps and under typical lighting. If it fails, regenerate with higher error correction or enlarge the code. Make sure the printed contrast and quiet zone are preserved. This fixes most printing and scanning problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.